Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we will do poem number 4 Why, and we will do today solutions. In the previous video I have taught you the poem. Now questions and answers. So reading is fun. Question 1, name a few things that sink. Sink means डूबना. So answer is iron, stone, lead, marble, etc. Question number 2, list 3 questions that the little boy asked. So the answer is, the 3 questions that the little boy asked are, why do wood swim and marble sink? What makes the cloud? Why do we eat and drink? Now question number 3, what sort of a boy is described in the poem? Is he sad, curious or brave? So the answer is curious. Now next, let's talk. Actually we have to do this let's talk in the class discussion, but right now I am giving you the answers. Ram is a curious little boy. He is always asking questions. One day he came home and asked his grandfather questions like, why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? And next question he asked, why can't we touch the sun? Number 3 he asked, why can't we go out to play in the dark? You children also don't go outside to play in the dark. Yes, why? Discuss these questions with your teacher and class. Do you know the answers? Now answer I am giving you. Number 1 is, we can't look at the sun during a solar eclipse because the light of the sun can prove harmful for our eyes. हमारी आँखों को नुकसान देती हैं. Number 2, the sun is a ball of fire. It is too hot to touch. It is also too far to reach or touch. So that's why we can't touch the sun. Number 3, why can't we go out to play in the dark? So answer is, proper light is essential for activities like playing games. So we may fall down or get hurt. So we cannot go outside in the dark. Now word building. Fill in the blanks with the words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentences. So the words in the sentences, the colored words, you can look at in your book on page number 62 and 63. I have written in totally black, but you can find the words colored in red color in your book. Why is the dash so high? So why is the sky so high? Do you know the color of snow? By mistake I have written no, it is snow, S-N-O-W, snow. Have you found who made the cloud? Put the glass in the sink after you finish your drink. Now next question, the spellings of these words are jumbled. Put them right and make sentences of your own. You have to put these words in proper order and make a proper word. And then make a sentence. Make a sentence while after making the correct word. Now number 1 is W-O-K-N. It is K-N-O-W, no. W-I-S-M. It is S-W-I-M, swim. D-A-E-L. It is L-E-A-D, lead. B-L-A-R-M-E. It is M-A-R-B-L-E, marble. L-L-I-H-S. It is H-I-L-L-S, hills. Now we have to make the sentences. I don't know the answer of this question. No. K-N-O-W, no. Number 2, he swims for hours during weekends. Swims, S-W-I-M-S, swims. Lead is a heavy metal. Lead, L-E-A-D, lead. The building is made of white marbles, M-A-R-B-L-E-S, marbles. It is difficult to climb the hills, H-I-L-L-S, hills. So this type of sentences, you can make your own sentences also, children. And next exercise, let's write, discuss and write. Actually this exercise also we have to do in the class, but due to corona we will do it here and I will give you the proper answers. Why do cats and dogs fight? So answer is, dogs are not friendly to cats. Whenever they meet, they start fighting because dogs make attempts to kill cats who are forced to fight with them. Next, Why do we walk across the road, not run? Always parents say don't run on the road, walk properly and then cross the road. Why? We don't run but walk across the road to avoid accidents. There are so many vehicles on the road. In such a situation, we are supposed to walk on it carefully without disturbing others. And next, it's very interesting. Why do people like ice cream? You children also like ice cream? Why do people like ice cream? People like ice cream because they feel exciting to eat such a cold, sweet things, and it ice cream gives coolness in the hot summer season. Now next question, write down at least 2 questions using why. So why are you crying so loudly? Why do you speak so rudely? Why are you shouting in the class? Why are you running in the class? Etc., etc., etc. So thank you children. Goodbye.